Hey everyone, welcome to our channel.
On an iPhone or iPad running iOS 16, Apple restricts downloading apps from sources other than the App Store for security reasons, but you can still download and install apps from Safari under certain conditions. And here is how to. Open the Safari and in the search bar type down the app name you want to download. And if you don't see any options available there, then simply make sure to add download after the app name or make sure to enter the full name. So here I am typing down the VN video editor, then navigate to its official website. Inside its official website, you can see there are various download options available. Simply tap on the download from App Store for your iPhone or iPad. And once done so, you'll be navigated to the install option on your iPhone. Now here all you have to do is tap on the get option available on your screen. Then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID or Apple ID password and the app will be installed on your device. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching.